99.1 The Sound. The Jayhawks just recently released live from the Belly Up at the Belly Up Tavern, Solanas Beach, California. And we're going to hear two from the Jayhawks next on Two from the Archives on The Sound.
Cowabunga, it's spring break. Junior Suttle here from Outer Banks Chrysler Dodge Jeep. I haven't taken a spring break in years, and I'm ready to hit the beach, but can't go anywhere until we sell 60 more cars. Because I'm stuck, you're in luck. This month you could get lucky and drive